Hi all, welcome back to the second video of 32nd module on counseling children with high risk behaviors, drug and alcohol abuse, sexually active and delinquent children. The learning objective of this video is to understand the effects of high risk behaviors among children and students. Coming to the effects of high risk behaviors, children and adolescents may make certain choices that put their health and well-being at risk. Any behavior developed during this stage has the ability of shaping their adult stage. The behaviors and habits that are practiced or developed during adolescent stage follows to adulthood as well. The consequences may prove to be costly not only for them but for the society as well. The effects are physical, behavioral and social. Now let us see the physical problems. The physical problems may be seen in physical fitness, the sleep needs, nutrition and eating disorders, drug abuse, depression, physical deviation, abnormal growth, death due to accidents, firearms and suicide, and becoming sexually active. Coming to the behavioral problems, it is being reckless, stubborn, dominating, aggressive, timid, vandalism, absenteeism, etc. Emotional problems. They face cognitive problems like low concentration, inattentiveness, less memory. They have adjustment problems, stress, schizophrenia, mood disorder and major depression or bipolar disorders, anxiety disorders, fear, phobia and general anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder. They may also have conduct disorder, oppositional disorder, factual disorders as well as eating disorders, namely anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa. Coming to the social problems, this includes low educational levels, they become school dropouts, they have social stigma, they face unemployment, there are emotional problems and behavior problems, they have low levels of emotional support and cognitive stimulation, and finally they have behavioral problems and chronic medical conditions as well. Nowadays, we come across minors who are indulged in high-risk behaviors and high-profile cases. These are very hurtful. As mentioned above, these leads to psychological and social circumstances that interact with each other, causing particular behavior. The bigger cause for these behaviors is the lack of parental care according to many studies. Risky behaviors among children and adolescents have to be prevented for various important reasons. Firstly, engaging in one risky behavior can lead to engage in other risky behaviors like self-injury, victimization by others, and other negative consequences may be the result. Secondly, that consistent engagement in even one type of risky behaviors can weaken the progress towards positive educational goals and can increase the social, behavioral, physical and mental health problems later in life. For example, heavy alcohol consumption during adolescence will lead to negative health outcomes during adulthood, obesity and high blood pressure as well. Drug use and abuse during adolescent stage has been linked to higher rates of cognitive difficulties, isolation, stealing, missing classes and absenteeism and aggressive behavior. Illicit drug use has been found to be associated with risky sexual behavior, delinquency, crime and drug abuse, and delinquency has been related aggression has been found to be significant predictor of lower levels of educational attainment and higher levels of mental health, substance abuse and economic problems. It is also found that the risky sexual behavior puts the children and adolescents in danger of acquiring sexually transmitted diseases and infection and unintended pregnancy or teenage pregnancy. However, multiple risky behaviors adds up to the poor outcomes. In this video, we have seen the effects of high-risk behaviors on the children and adolescents. In the next video, we will see about the role of school counselor in counseling children with high-risk behavior. Thank you.